everybody came back, big smiles on their faces. I think everybody really enjoyed it. Very easy bike to ride, great fun, great for the back roads. Yeah, all in all, yeah, what can I say? Fantastic looking bike as well. Love it.
You just feel like a badass, to be honest, going through the roads. It's just amazing, and it's just like, it looks like a Max Norton as well. So you got the modern capabilities and the braking and suspension, but the engine's so responsive. It's an extreme bike, mate. It's brilliant.
Knees tucked in, you get round the bends, and you can't wait to get the throttle on and coming out. It's lovely, really lovely.